Hi friends, today in science we will be reading a story called The Garden That We Grew. The story is written by Joan Hullab. This is the garden that we will grow. This is the patch we will plant row by row. Here is the garden. Touch the garden. Good job. This is the dirt all warm and brown. The dirt is brown. These are the seeds we push way down. Here are the seeds. Can you find the seeds? Nice job. This is the water we spray on the seeds. Seeds need water to grow. These are our hands that pull out the weeds. They are getting rid of the weeds. These are the buds that peek from their beds. The seeds are starting to grow. These are the buds. These are the flowers that poke out their heads. The seeds are starting to grow into flowers. These are the pumpkins that grow on the vine. These are the summer days filled with sunshine. Plants need sunshine to grow. Touch the sun. Good job. These are the worms that go here and there. These are the bees that buzz in the air. This is the day we have all waited for. We pick our pumpkins. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count the pumpkins. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inside the pumpkins is wet orange goop. This is the way we scoop, 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 scoop. This is the pie we make and we munch. These are the cookies we bake by the bunch. What did they make? They made pie and cookies. Touch the pie. Awesome. These are the faces that grin ear to ear. They are so happy. Let's save the seeds to grow pumpkins next year. The end. What did they grow in the story? Did they grow pumpkins or apples? Great job! They grew pumpkins.